Hello guys, today I am Julian Adam in 8098. So today let's play Minecraft. Since I had Minecraft as a kid, I didn't get to play the full version because I had the full version when I was a kid. So we're playing a new one. So you wonder why there are two houses? Because me and my sister played this game and she got disconnected and and when I tried to help her connect to the game her game was was disconnected. Uh, it said on her phone unable to connect on this world. But I'm still in this world making a video. So I'm going home because this is not our home. This is someone's home. Well, they let us borrow it. So at at 1 hour, this we're gonna live stream for 1 hour. Well, I don't have live stream, so I'll just make a video. I'll just make a.
Ako, bundi boy.
Sabi
Baru sige.
naka-join ka na ba sa Minecraft?
Baru sige. Baru sige.
Okay guys, my sister is talking.
Hello.
She got disconnected in her phone.
Because I leave.
Yeah, when she left, she forgot what to do because she thought she was still in the same place. But my name is Steve in the game. My sister's name is also Steve, so we didn't know who is us, who is me, and who is my sister. Because there are only two people in this video. I would like to thank my old friend who just got out of school, who quitted school. Shout out to Mr. Beast and Diab and Kalos or Infinite and Alan Twain and no Stokes Twins and Josh Sai and Panda Boy and who's that one? Well, I didn't stop them from quitting, so ano? Okay, Alan Walk is my favorite one.
Kuya!
Yes! Where are you? Saan ka na? Yes! Naka-join na siya! Okay guys. My sister has now connected to the game. She has finally found the way how to connect. So, let's make a video. I'm making a video. Okay guys. Me and my sister. Say hello!
Hello.
Look at me!
I'm killing the zombie in my house.
Kill it! Kill it! Yes!
Get the coins. Let's go.
No, that is XP.
No.
Wait!
Steve. Let's go.
Wait!
Use an upstairs.
Where are you?
Here.
In my house?
No, in my house.
You're building a stair?
Yes.
Okay.
I have ants.
Oh, okay. It's okay if you have ad. Give me your eye. What is this?
Stairs.
Wait, I'm gonna pee.
Kaya nagwiwiwi ka? Kunyari lang daw, nagwiwiwi ka?
house to swim. I'm swimming. I will swim.
I want to swim in your house, please.
I don't have swimming pool.
I see it.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna prepare it. Wait for me. I'll prepare it for you. Hey, what did you break?
The glass.
At my house?
No.
At your house?
Yes.
Why? Oh, okay. She just made stairs. Okay, I'm ready the swimming pool. Just call me when you're ready. You ready?
Can you help me? Look, please.
Wait.
I'm gonna build second.
No.
I'm gonna build second.
Okay, I'll wait for you.
Can you help me build this?
No,
Please.
I can't because I'm doing something. I see you
What?
in the window. Okay. I see what you're doing. I'm going down the stairs. A cow! What is this cow? Whoa! The cow is running! I'm gonna help you.
Stop blocking my wall.
I'm not breaking your one.
Look.
Where am I? Where? Oh! Okay, I'm gonna. You're leaving?
No, I'm just gonna change my clothes.
I'm gonna change my clothes also. So I'm leaving.
No,
No, I'm gonna change my clothes also. You done?
game.
What?
That's a game.
No, I'm still not back. I wanna be a town folk. I wanna be a forester. I'm a farmer, yes! World.